Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my students.
Good morning, ma'am.
And then, how are you in this morning?
I'm fine, thank you. And
Fine. And you?
Okay, I'm very well, thank you very much. Okay, class. First of all, before we are going to discuss this material today, it's better for us to pray together. Mas Nasrul, please lead your friend to pray, please.
Before we study, let's pray.
Finish. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to check your presence today. Please go to the Google Classroom and click presence in the form to make sure that you have joined in the English class today. Do you understand what I mean?
Paham.
Paham. Yeah. Are you ready to join my English class today?
Yes, I am ready.
Ready. Please prepare your books, pens, and check your internet connection. Make sure that you will not lose your connection. Yeah. Mas Alfian, can you hear my voice clearly?
yes, ma'am.
How about you, Mas Aril Dani? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. In this English lesson today, please open your camera and mute your mic to start our lesson today. I will share a material for you. Listen carefully of this video. Please pay attention.
Good morning, school. Please listen carefully to these announcements about school uniforms. It is important to respect the school uniform. Please remember, girls shouldn't wear trousers. All girls must wear a purple skirt, and you must wear white socks. You shouldn't wear black or gray socks. Boys can wear a pullover under their purple blazer. The pullover must be blue. It can't be gray or purple. That's the end of this morning's announcement.
Can you hear this audio?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What is the video about?
Announcement.
Announcement. What is the contents of this announcement?
To give information to student about school uniform.
To give information to the student about school uniform. Good. And then, who most likely listening to this video?
Student.
Students. And then, who makes this announcement?
Teacher, guru.
What? Teacher. Good. Thank you very
Teacher.
much. Okay, class. Today, in the learning goals, tujuan pembelajaran hari ini, in the knowledge, di pengetahuan, you have to analyze the generic structure, the social function, and the language features of announcement text. And then in skill, you have to make an announcement text correctly. In this learning process today, in the assessment, I will give you assessment of attitude. When you are discussing with your friend, I will take assessment of attitude. And then in the Google Classroom, I will give formative test. So I will give assessment of knowledge. And then in the skill, assessment of skill, I will give you an assignment to make announcement text based on your own topics. Okay, look at this announcement. Have you ever read this such kind of the text?
Pernah.
Pernah. Please Yep. Please look at this announcement. Read this announcement carefully. And then, can you give me your opinion about this announcement? What is the event that is being announced?
Cooking competition.
Cooking competition, lomba memasak. Good. Give me the detailed information that you can be found in this announcement. Dapatkah kamu memberikan informasi detail tentang date, time, place?
On Saturday, February 2nd, 2016
Yes.
at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Gallery Cooking Town.
Yep. Okay. And then, can you give me the tenses that used in this announcement text? Tenses.
Don't bring any material, just your mental.
Just your mental. What is the tenses?
Bring.
What is the kind of the tenses? Bring verb 1. So the tenses is, what is the tenses?
Tenses present.
Present tense. Ya, present tense. Di kata bring. Any other sentence that using simple present tense? Ya? Ada.
Like is translate start on Sunday, January.
January. Iya, di kata apa?
Start.
Good. Thank you very much. And now, what is the social function from this text?
To give information.
To give information about
Cooking competition.
cooking competition. Good. And then, this is a social functionnya. What about the generic structure that used in this announcement text? Can you give me detailed information from the text that use generic structure?
Yang opening Bu.
Openingnya di mana menurutmu?
Come on and join us.
Come on and join us. What about the cooking competition? Opening. Good. And then generic structure on Saturday, February 2nd, 2016.
Konten.
Ya, kontennya. Kalau penutupnya?
Closing. Name, address, gender, age.
Okay. Now, in your group that I have arranged into 3 groups, discuss about the LK worksheet. I have shared in your WhatsApp group and in the Google Classroom. Analyze the social function, the generic structure, and the language feature of this announcement text. Have you ever read this kind of the text before?
Sudah.
Where do you usually find this text?
Di sekolah.
Di sekolah. In the school.
At school. Okay, please discuss with your friend, analyze the social function, the generic structure, and the language feature of this announcement. You can look at my presentation when you are discussing, or you can look for the material of announcement text in the internet. In your WhatsApp group, find the generic structure, the social function, and then the language features from this text that I have given in your worksheet, in your WhatsApp group and Google Classroom.
Ini bisa dilihat kelompok 3 sedang berdiskusi di WhatsApp group. Mbak Septina memberikan fungsi sosial, Mbak Mafasya generic structure, kemudian Mbak Bintang memberikan konten. Kemudian untuk kelompok 1 ya, Mas Ahmad Lutfi memberikan social functionnya ya, bisa. Kemudian Mas Bima ya, oke.
Have you finished? Okay. What is the social function from this announcement? From the first group, please share your discussion.
To give information.
To give information. To give information to?
To give information to give information to student.
To students. About
Indonesia Independence Day competition.
To give information to the students that to celebrate Indonesian Independence Day. What about the second group? Can you give me your discussion about the generic structure? Opening.
Content sama closing.
Analyze the generic structure of the text.
Opening, contact,
closing.
For all student of SMK Bani Muslim Pati.
Yes, good. And then the second group.
The content, our school will have some competition that will be held on 17 August 2021 to celebrate Indonesian Independence Day. It is a list of the competition. 1. Speed contest. 2. Making a poem. 3. Calligraphy. 4. Then 5. Solo song. All student or classes must register their
team
before 15 August 2021. The winner will get the trophy and prize.
What is the generic structure? Content. Good. And then the last generic structure. What about the third group or the fourth group?
Closing.
What is the tenses of the closing?
Closing. Thank for your attention and good luck. Thank you
for your attention and good luck. Terus?
For your information.
Oke, good.
Closing.
Kita ke language feature. Language feature of this announcement text. From the first group, the language feature, the announcement text apa saja? Give me sentence that using the tenses given. Simple future. Will. Give me the sentence of simple future in this announcement text.
Our school will have some competition.
Good. Our school will have some competition. And then, what about the another group? The language feature from this announcement text?
The winner will get the trophy and prize.
The winner will get the trophy and prize. What is the tenses?
Will.
The tenses is simple future. Yes, good. And then any another sentence?
That will be held on 17 August 2020.
It will be held on 17 August. Good. What about the simple present tense?
It is a list of the competition.
Any another sentence that using simple present tense?
All students or classes must register there.
All students or classes must register. Good. Dikata register group 1. And then in the Elkato, I give you this announcement. Can you read this announcement, please?
Attention teachers, there are many problems at our schools recently. dealing with the students and our school environments and how the problems need quick solution. Therefore, please attend a teacher's meeting at the teacher's office on Saturday at 1 p.m. to discuss the problem. We are one of the best schools in the town, and I hope we can maintain the achievement.
Maintain.
I hope we can maintain the achievement. Don't be late for the meeting and feel free to share your ideas.
Okay. From this announcement text, can you answer the following questions? What is the announcement about?
Tell the teacher.
What is the announcement about?
Tentang meeting, Bu.
Meeting. What is the meeting? Who is the meeting?
Teacher.
Teacher's meeting. Good. And then the second one. Who is the announcement for?
Murid.
All the teachers.
All the teachers.
Other teacher.
Good. All the teacher. And then the third. When does the teachers meeting happen? You can look at this text.
On Saturday at 1 p.m.
On Saturday at 1 p.m. Good. Where does the teacher meeting happen?
In the teacher's office.
In the teacher office. And then, why are the teachers should attend the meeting?
Because to discuss the problem.
Because to discuss the problem. What is the problem?
Karena we are one of the best school in the town.
Any other opinion?
At our school recently,
Ya.
dealing with the student.
Dealing with student, berkenaan dengan murid. And
Environment.
school environment. So, the teacher should attend the meeting because there are many problems at our school, but the student and the school environment and all the problems that need quick solution. For the end of this learning process today, what is the conclusion? What have we learned today?
Generic structure of announcement.
How many generic structure in announcement?
Three.
3. Can you mention?
Opening, content, and closing.
Opening, content, and closing. Yep. And then about the announcement text. Yeah. Opening, generic structure-nya opening, content, and closing. Any another?
The list feature are using simple present tense and simple future tense.
Language feature of announcement text yaitu tadi apa? Simple present tense and simple future. Ya, kita ke reflection. You can identify the social function, the generic structure, and the language feature of the short functional text announcement.
Yes.
Yes. You can identify the detailed information from this announcement text.
Yes.
Identifikasi. Yes. And I give you an assignment at your homework. Please make the announcement by your own word. You can choose the topic by yourself. It can be school activity or others. And then to make your announcement is more interested and colorful, please use some application to edit. You are multimedia student, so please use some application to edit your announcement text. You can use Canva or Poster My Wall. Okay, thank you very much for your attention today. Okay, class, thank you very much for your attention. I'm sorry we don't have time to study more. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.